Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, the scatter plot shows the relationship between the number of visitors to the beach and the average temperature on different days. Which of the following best describes the correlation for the data? Okay, so we're looking for what? I want to see if we can describe the correlation. Correlation means, do you see any connection between the temperature, right, and the visitors to the beach, right? They want to find out if there's any kind of relationship, right? Any kind of correlation on that, okay? So what can we tell about the information given to us? Well, it looks like the higher the temperature, the higher the visitors, right? Because it looks like it's growing and growing. And the way that I can see that is by actually drawing a line between the points, right? And if you notice, almost all the data, all the points are kind of close to the line that I did, right? And what we're gonna do next, I want you to think about this as my arrow pointing this way, right? And we're gonna think about this as a line. Well, I notice that this line is pointing to the right. And anytime that we think about the right, we think about what? A positive, is that right? So we can think about that. Now, how close are the points to this line? I notice that most of the points are very close to my line. You see that? I don't have a point that is like way over here, right? They're not. So what do I say when all my points are very close to this line? Well, then we say that there is a very strong correlation. Okay? Why is it strong? Because all my points are very close to this line. Okay, so now let's look at the answer choices. Letter A says positive, strong, linear. Is that true? Yeah, right. We can see that it's a positive because it's up here. And we said that it's very strong because all the points are very close to that line. Very good. Letter B is totally wrong because it says that is what? It says negative. Nope. I don't think my line is negative. It's not pointing to the left. Letter C says no correlation. No correlation would be when my points are all over the place. So no, that's not right. And letter D says positive, but it says weak. And weak, well, we do know that it's positive, but I know that it's not weak because I do see that most of my points are very close to the line. It would be weak if my points are still in a positive, like going to the right, but my points are a little bit further away from this line, okay? So that's how I know that D is not correct either. So my only answer choice for this would be, yes, very good. It has to be letter A.